Hi guys, Sue back from IPSUM with another creative make using stuff hopefully you've got around the house. So what we're doing now at IPSUM is we're having a weekly theme that runs across all our social media for the art and the music, etc. So we're going to go with the summer solstice this week, as it's the longest day this weekend. So what we're going to make are these lovely sun catchers that when you hang them or stick them in your window, the sun shines through and it's almost like a stained glass window. Really simple to make. You just need some black paper, some coloured tissue paper. If you don't have tissue paper, you can try napkins, some glue and some scissors. And if you want to hang them and suspend them in the window, some thread, or you can just stick them in the window. So what you're going to need first is a circle of black paper, not card, because card's too tricky to fold and cut, just some paper. So what I did was I just got a saucer, drew around it and cut it out. Then what you do is you fold it in half, and then you fold it in half again. A little bit like you used to make snowflakes, and then in half again. Okay, and what we're aiming to do is cut some shapes out from the two folds. Now if you're somebody that likes to draw it out first, you can just draw out some nice shapes from the side, and then you basically cut them out. Okay, when you cut them out, you then open it and you should have something that looks a bit like this. If you feel like you want to cut more shapes out, you just fold it back up and then go in and cut some more. And then what you do, pick a side, doesn't matter because it's the same both sides, and you get little bits of tissue paper. Now I quite like it where you tear the tissue paper and stick them randomly over, because it gives you this kind of layered effect where the colours mix and you get different shapes. If you're somebody that likes it very perfect and accurate, then you can absolutely just put your colours over each shape. And then all you do, take your glue, stick it onto the back. So kids can do this really easily and they don't have to worry too much about where it's going. So you can stick it like that, layer it over like that, and you can see you start to build up the layers of colour. So it's quite a nice and easy and fun thing to do. Okay, and then you get this lovely stained glass effect. Once you've done that, you can just stick a little bit of thread across the back, and then you can hang them in your window for the sun to catch them. And that's our make for this week. Okay, thanks guys. If you do share any and make any things, you could just share it on #IPSUM Swindon. That'll be fab. Thank you.